Yeah.
11 o'clock.
Okay, right, one last song.
E-commerce network security encryption, and he's got loads of space on his server farm. He's always offering me server space for everything. I just feel I appreciate the offer, but
okay, we're just going to finish off with
I
Johnny
want to
B.
be able to phone somebody. My website goes tips up at 2 AM in the morning.
Yeah. And you want to be able to support a ticket.
New Orleans, way up in the woods among the evergreens. There's a little log cabin made of earth and wood. Lived a country boy named Johnny B. He never ever learned to read or write too well, but he could play a guitar like a ringing bell. Go, 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 Johnny, go, 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 Johnny, go, 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 Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go! Johnny Digger. Used to play his guitar in a gunny sack, sitting beneath the trees by the railroad track. Engineers used to see him sitting in the shade, storming to the rhythm and the drive to fade. People passing by would stop and say, oh my, that little country boy can play. Go, go! Go, Johnny, go, go! Go, Johnny, go, go! Go, Johnny, go, go! Go, Johnny, go, go! Johnny Digger. Thank you, good night, and thanks for coming out. Here's Tony.
Ladies and gentlemen, take cover. Woo! Any more guys? Do we want one more from Take Cover? Can we do one more, guys? Can we do one more? Will we do one more? We'll do one more. One more from Take Cover, yes? I mean, no. One more, that's all. Thank you. Take Cover.
heard Barry's Welsh lullaby? Welsh sleepy lullaby.
Slayer.
Slayer?
Angel of Death.
Slayer's going to be Megadeth.
No, any Slayer!
Okay, this is a Neil Young track. This is called Heart of Gold.
Yes! Keep me searching. That's right.
I wanna live, I wanna give. I've been a magnet for a heart of gold. I've been in my mind such a fine line that keeps me searching for a heart of gold. And I'm getting old. Keeps me searching for a heart of gold, and I'm getting old. I've been in Hollywood, I've been in Redwood, I crossed the ocean for a heart of gold. I've been in my mind, it's such a fine line that keeps me searching for a heart of gold, and I'm getting old. Keeps me searching for a heart of gold, and I'm getting old. Keep me searching for a heart of gold. Searching for a gold. I've been fighting for a heart of gold. Searching for a heart of gold. Getting old. Thank you.
Barry, we need your harmonica.
Thank you all. Thanks, Takeover. Ladies and gentlemen, I think it is now last orders at the bar at 1:15, so you've got about 5 minutes to get the beers in if you want a final drink. Before we go, I'd just like to thank Takeover again and everybody who's appeared tonight. Everybody has appeared, done the curries and done the bar. The club has been for nothing. So we haven't paid a penny to be here tonight. It is all going to Steve. Yeah. So to Paul Ryle and the chairman of the club and to the club for donating their beers and for everybody that's given to anything. Well, that's Team Tommo for you, isn't it? Thanks a lot, everybody, and good night.
And 3 cheers for Tony. Hip hip. Hey! Hip hip. Hey! Hip hip. Hey! Well done, Tony. You've been a star, mate.